Otukpo GRA, we have Luxe Heaven Suites and Resorts. If you do Otukpo, when you never come across this hotel or this GRA, they miss. And you know say Nich no dey everly hype rubbish, and na forget something dey happen, you go find Nich. If they find this hotel, e dey located at number 46 Old Okebi Road, GRA, Otukpo, Edo State. As their motto talk, they say comfort is our priority. That means you will be their customer. Now your comfort, now your relaxation, now their priority. And as the name implies, Luxe Heaven. Why you no follow me? Make we go check if you get touch of heaven or if they heavenlish. I talk am. Follow me. Make we check am out. Make you forget say Nich I no dey everly hype rubbish. You don see their flag? I go always show na their flag. See am ba? Luxe Heaven Resort with your Nigerian no dey carry last. Come along. Use your entrance. Get your about normally at the side. For follow phone, you go see security. They go open your door for you. Enough parking space dey where you go park your Hummer Jeep, your G-Wagon, your Lexus, anything. If you carry convoy, no worry. Where you go park dey. This thing na 4-bedroom apartment, but right now e dey occupied, and because of the roof, you know where they invade people privacy. Make we go inside, and one thing I observe about this place, they get wing by wing. Like they get different departments for school, and so they get different wings. This one na grace wing and this one na praise wing, depending on the building. More go inside the restaurant, the reception. Remember, I say first impression for reception. Now the AC, the moment say you go cool you, your brain go set, you say go calm. You understand? Make coming inside, you go feel. And I will say there with me, you go understand. Your restaurant, maybe every hotel they get this dispenser, you give water, you go chill your mind. You don't lost for hotel, come inside, you sit there, order your food. Anything you don't need to do, you waka dey go outside, you go find where you go buy a put for you chop. Na so you see na standard hotel. I say hotel dey different from hot air. More go inside, you see room upon room. You know as e dey be na. The people no dey ever hype rubbish. Check am out. Somebody say wow, you wey be big man, you all carry your frame. As you come, you carry am follow body, make you mount am, but they give you extra space where you carry your picture, you are there, take your cheese, now you get am. Your wardrobe, yeah, exclusive, luxury. You smell luxury. A bedroom, not your regular toilet or a restroom, sharp one. You get. This is your standard bedroom. Let me show you more. They have more. Shall we show you more? Don't know your way, you go not way. From the aesthetics of the building, you know you see the design, the way you take design, you know the choice. You know if you play hotel, you come. Yes. From the name, Luxe Heaven Resort and Suites. You see, I say they heavenlish, get heaven touch. Room 107. My God. Know your babe well. Don't Pablo carry and come here. Hey, knock me for bed. Knock me for chair. See am, your room dey different from your palace. Don't be like in your house. Come inside. Your toilet. See space. Now room. Imagine. If you even when your pikin fit dey here dey play ball, you know that kind of thing. Your pikin go dey play. Heaven provide you download. Your wardrobe, put your anything where you want. Your window, in case you want there they see view. You go there, decide your things. So you get your mirror. Then another television. Maybe only parlor television they do. I like the way they do this lights. Very stylish. You get your fridge, your mini fridge. Just keep on for here. Siam. You see am. To be charged. Maybe every see your telephone dey parlor and it's still there for inside. More go. Your back yours dey outside there. But they no go allow us open. If you just dey there wey dey watch, you just keep your chair for there. Make you dey observe wetin dey go. I no mind my kids. If you perceive say you dey confused, you don't know what you go drink, just come here, make you grab your menu, check from inside. Anywhere where you want, with your mind according to the price where they talk. Me, you no go order as well, you no fit pay. As you they see everywhere they come for, no be where mad people dey stay. So you get I think it's a good hotel. Praise wing, as you see as you're looking at hotel. Inside your destiny wing. See they see am. Very big and nice comfort space. Just down here and chill, they relax. Where they talk, you don't relate with them. Your shawarma and let's see you call them again, hot dogs and kini. You guys want that people, invite your dates. So I go there again. Babe, why do you do like this now? Baby, now there, setting an argument, any small issue. Yeah, now they get stuff now. I just welcome to Destiny. Everywhere get their own way. Go for this Destiny. So we have another place there. They stand down across the road. I think I see it big. As the name implies, Luxe Heaven Suites. Luxe Heaven Events Hub and Annex. Samba. This one is your event center, your bar, your what do you call them? Hall. In case you want to throw your wedding or you want to do your naming ceremony, your child education, your anything, your wedding. See as you come from big bar. If you just park your motor for the main hotel where you come the extension, come chill. See level bar. See as the Capola go down. Grand take you back. Nah, no be chop. Now walking is not this kind of thing. Take get. See as everywhere fine. Even get toilet. Look down see go there the do events. Go dey press. You come the cross mirror. They go where you lodge. No sharp. If you just stay that side, where you lodge. Stay here. When I do an event, weekend ceremony or day vacation. That kind of thing. And that full apartment for lodging. Or for renting, anything, weekend or vacation or if you just there, maybe even do your honeymoon, you get very cool and calm place. No like you no get. And people get money. If you get money, you go enjoy. So don't forget number 46 former Otukpo Road for GRO here in Otukpo local government, Benue State. If you like this video, comment on this video another place you want me to review, to talk about, to advertise. And for me, maybe Nova guy, I go rate this place 8 Nova star out of 10. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Ciao.